Welcome, here I've got ZTE Blade V8 Lite and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Here we have to slide to the left to get access to this panel. Now we have to tap to the right corner button at the bottom so we can open the advanced camera settings. Here we have to slide a little bit down to the general category, and now at the third position we have geotagging option, so it allows us to save the information about the place where we take a picture in the details about it. By using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. And here also the important thing is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our picture, we have to remember to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and we have to turn on the GPS. Now let me keep turned on all of these settings. Let's move back to the camera and take a picture. To see it, we have to tap to this button from the right that follows us straight to the gallery. This is our picture. Now we have to tap to the right corner button and pick the details. Here at the third position we can check the location, so greetings from Kraków, Poland. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.